Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox code on your phone. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox code on your phone, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to this window of Roblox. Here in this page of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. When you'll find this page, you will click on clear cache, and don't click here clear data because that can make a lot of problem on your phone and you can delete all your data in the same time. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.